Have you ever felt like life keeps throwing challenges at you? Whether it is pressure from all sides, uncertainty about the future, or a sense that things just aren't going your way. Let me share a story about the power of vision and how it can transform even the toughest situations. Life can be incredibly harsh. Sometimes you find yourself in situations where everything feels out of your control. An environment you can't escape, a toxic relationship, or financial struggles that seem endless. In those moments, it's easy to feel powerless. But even in the darkest times, there is one thing no one can take away from you: your ability to create a vision. Your vision is a part of your consciousness. It is not just daydreaming, it is the ability to imagine a better reality and use that vision as a guide to hold on to hope, take action, and move toward the life you want. This is exactly what we are exploring in this short video series on my channel Uncommon Reality. We are exploring how your mind shapes your life and how you can start creating the outcomes you truly want. Let's begin. Have you ever held on to a vision for a better life, even when everything felt hopeless? Share your story in the comments. I would love to hear how you kept your faith alive. Let me share an example from the movie Udta Punjab. It's a Hindi movie. Alia Bhatt's character is in one of the most horrific situations you can imagine. She is trapped in a locked room, surrounded by people who exploit and abuse her. She has no control over her environment. But there is one thing she holds on to: a vision. She keeps looking at a photo of a beach in Goa, a place that symbolizes freedom, happiness, and a new life for her. Even though she is physically trapped, her mind holds on to this vision. It becomes her source of hope, her light in the darkness, and eventually, against all odds, she escapes. She doesn't just survive, she creates a life that reflects the vision she carried in her heart. This is the power of vision. Even when everything around you seems hopeless, your consciousness can hold on to something better and guide you toward it. Now, you might say, but that's just a movie, it's not real life. And you are right. Her story is fictional, but the principle behind it isn't. Throughout history, people like Nelson Mandela, Helen Keller, J.K. Rowling, Martin Luther King Jr., Thomas Edison, Malala Yousafzai, and the Wright brothers held on to powerful visions during the darkest times, and those visions guided them to real change. No matter how trapped you feel, you can create a vision for a better reality. And these are some of the steps you can start taking today. Number one, create a vision that inspires you. Think of a life you want to live. It doesn't have to be extravagant. It could be as simple as feeling safe, happy, and free. Find a reminder of your vision. Just like Alia's character had the photo of Goa, find something that keeps your vision alive. A picture, a quote, or even a daily affirmation. And then hold on to faith no matter what. Faith is the bridge between your current reality and your vision. Tell yourself, this is not permanent. I will create a better life. What's one vision you want to hold on to no matter what? Write it in the comments and say, I believe this is possible for me. Let's start moving toward it together. I know what it feels like to feel trapped. There was a time in my life when I had nothing, no money, no support, and no way out of the challenges I was facing. It felt like every door was closed. But I made a choice. I created a vision for the life I wanted to live. I imagined myself free, happy, and successful. That vision became my guide, and I held on to it even when everything seemed to work against me. Little by little, I started taking steps toward that vision. I didn't let my circumstances define me. Today, I am living a life that once seemed impossible, all because I believed in my vision and acted on it. Here is something important to remember: your current circumstances don't define you, they are just one chapter of your life. Your vision is what helps you write the next chapter. When you hold on to a vision with faith, it gives you the strength to keep moving forward. It shows your consciousness where you want to go, and over time, it starts aligning your reality with the life you have imagined. This is where alternative education can help. Traditional education focuses on skills and knowledge, but alternative education teaches you how to use your mind, your consciousness, and your vision to create change. It gives you the tools to hold on to your vision, take action, and transform your life no matter where you start. These are life changing lessons and can guide you to a better reality. So here's the real question: what's the vision you are holding on to? Even if your circumstances feel overwhelming, remember that your vision is your guide. It is the key to creating the life you want. Start today. Find a vision that inspires you. Keep it alive in your mind and take small steps toward it. Your current reality is not your final destination. With vision, faith, and action, you can create the life you truly deserve. If this message resonates with you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons on how to transform your reality. And share in the comments what's one vision you are holding on to no matter what. Let's take this journey of faith and growth together. See you soon. Until next time, take charge.